Alright, here is a 52-inch generic builder ceiling fan. This is in the same place as the Hunter Southern Breeze, and this is in the big bedroom, the basically master bedroom of the condo. This one is in a very unusual finish. This is kind of like a two-tone of something. I don't know if you can see that well. I'll see what happens if I turn on the light. But it's actually a two-tone finish, and I kind of like that. I don't know what this is. It's too generic to even really care about. The motor in it is actually pretty good, I'll say that. Low speed is kind of wimpy, but medium and high are actually pretty good. It has a startup sound too. So we'll go ahead and turn it on low first. I guess I could show you light. Not very special. Here's low. Low speed is questionable, but medium and high actually takes up for it, so I don't see much of an issue. I'll go ahead and put it up on medium. This is sort of like a high speed on some of the newer Hunter fans. Actually, I think in fact this is in real life this is the exact high speed on some Hunter fans. And here is high. I'll see if I can get the startup sound. Okay, let's try now. And I'll probably leave this one running because this was on high. So that's it for this one.